Andhra's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and family offering darshan at the Tirumala after 11-day penance over Prasadam controversy. And remember, over right now specifically Tirumala with the political showdown that has been on. Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan there with his family at Tirumala for darshan. But this is, of course, remember, while a personal visit, is it also a certain messaging that this is devotion and is returning to Tirumala for more. Apurva Jayachandran is joining me. She's right there at Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. Apurva, good morning. Must be stringent security there. What are you picking up from visuals on the ground? Go ahead.
Well, Pooja, we're here at Tirumala where Pawan Kalyan, the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and his daughters have arrived here for a darshan at Tirumala. In fact, the 11-day penance, which was the Prayashchitta Diksha, the Atonement Diksha or Atonement Penance as it is called, that had completed today. He started the Atonement Penance on September 22nd, and today on October 2nd he has successfully completed this Prayashchitta Diksha there. Now following that, he will also, he has now gone inside to seek the blessings of Lord Venkateshwara. He along with both his daughters had arrived here and they had gone in for the darshan. In fact, he had signed the declaration along with his daughter there as she was a minor before they had to, go inside for the darshan as well. And now both his daughters, Pawan Kalyan and other leaders of the Janasena, have now gone in for the darshan. He and his family had arrived here late evening yesterday, and from yesterday he had done foot walk all through from Alapuri to Tirumala there. In fact, roughly around 4 hours, this walk had lasted, where Pawan Kalyan had walked 3,550 steps all the way from Alapuri right up to Tirumala here. Now he's just gone in with his family for the darshan, following which he'll also go ahead, speak to TTD officials. He'll go to the Anna Prasada, department that is set here in Tirumala. Not only that, he'll go inspect all of these rooms, be it the Anna Prasada ward, be it the rice mill, flour mill, all of the other places, whatever constitutes under the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. He'll have a meeting with the TTD officials as well, following which he will go back. Tomorrow it's expected that there will be a Varahi meeting that will be taking place down at Tirupati. Pawan Kalyan, the Deputy Chief Minister, just today morning has had a successful darshan here at Tirumala. We're also seeing, he and his daughters had arrived here just a short while back. They have gone in for the darshan, and now after the darshan, they will also be coming out. They'll be inspecting, they'll be going out and they'll be looking into Tirumala as well. And Pawan Kalyan is also expected to go and conduct talks with the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam officials as well, where he will not only go ahead and speak with them regarding whatever the controversy had gone on. Remember, 11 days, this Atonement Diksha, which is the Prayashchit Diksha that he had taken up, is coming to a fruition today. All the 11 days he had been going ahead to all the holy places, cleansing them. He had been asking for atonement after the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. Prasadam Row had broken out.
Apurva, tell me this. He may have visited. We can see this massive security cordon around him. Where is the controversy standing right now? Of course, there's a legal angle to it, but on the ground, devotees coming in, what is happening with the Prasadam? Has that been changed? Tell us more about that as well.
If we see with the respect of devotees, yes, we do get to know that several of their sentiments have been heard. Several of them have, arrived, continuously keep coming here to catch darshan here of Lord Venkateshwara. One thing, the sales of the laddus and other prasadam as well, incidentally, has not declined over the last one and a half weeks there. And we're also getting to see that over the last 1 week alone, there was roughly around 7 lakh laddus that was alone sold. Srivari laddus, which is also iconic prasadam here for the Tirumala. These 7 lakh laddus had been sold, at Tirumala. Not only that, the foot flow of the devotees has also increased, as we see that several devotees out there are still standing. That's Pawan Kalyan, who's now arrived here after having a successful darshan. He's also come here and following his darshan.
Now the visuals coming in on your screen, Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan there on, of course, a personal visit, but in many ways a symbolism as well, isn't it? Because this is right after the whole controversy that had broken out if there is animal fat in the prasadam. Go ahead, we missed you there for a moment, Apurva.
Well, that's right. We had seen how there had been several devotees who had arrived here. In fact, this queue that you can see just shows the amount of devotees that have kept coming here in Tirumala despite the laddu controversy, the prasadam controversy that had taken place there. In fact, the TTD officials do state that while investigation is going on, there's a special investigation team, an SIT that has been constituted by the Andhra Pradesh government, which will, go ahead and continue its investigation. But temporarily, it has put a pause on its investigation as there's a Supreme Court, verdict that is all set to come out on October 3rd. That is tomorrow. So, the SIT has been asked to put on hold. But we're also seeing that, the devotees there are constantly arriving here. This is the Brahmotsavam season, which is one of the most auspicious seasons here in Tirumala, and public from far and wide arrive here just to catch a glimpse of Lord Venkateshwara here at the Sanctum Sectorium. In fact, as you can see, there are multiple facilities that have been provided for the people, be it the 300 rupees darshan, be it the free darshan, or be it the VIP darshan as well. All facilities have been provided to ensure that there is no kind of hindrance, no kind of difficulty for the devotees who go ahead and try to catch a glimpse of Lord Venkateshwara. Pooja.
So following a full-on protocol procedure, penance and a walk, Padayatra there, that's happening, concluding there amid heightened security, and perhaps it will end in many ways the controversy that's been with the prasadam. A lot of sensitive issues, remember, in Tirumala that Apurva is telling us about. Apurva, I'll come back to you in just a short while. We have more news coming in. Let's take a look at that.